The question is, how can we play retro consoles without having to spend a lot of money in upscalers? As you guys already know, we have on the market right now is the RetroTink 4K, which is around $750, which in my opinion, it's a lot of money for an upscaler. I know it does its job is really good, but I think it's too much money right now. So I would like to recommend for you guys who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on converters, this Levelhike HD cable for Dreamcast. Again, this is not a sponsor video, but I just want to recommend this because it's a really good price. Like, you will find around $25 to $30 on Amazon. It's really easy to find and it's really easy to use as well. So I already have it here out of the box. So basically, you connect one part of the cable on your Dreamcast, and the other part you're gonna connect on a HDMI cable, which already comes included in the box. And it doesn't require a power source. I don't know why. There's a USB port right here, on which for the PlayStation 2 we need to connect to a USB power source. But for Dreamcast, we don't. I don't understand why, but it's okay. They use the same thing, as we can see right here. And today I'm gonna play some of the games that I currently have here, just for 1 minute, so you can see how the game looks on the TV. I'm gonna record from my camera here on the TV, so you can see how the image looks with this HDMI cable for Dreamcast. I hope you guys enjoy.
You know what you're doing. Take me to the yacht harbor.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah! Cool! Ha ha ha! Cool! Yeah! Hey! Whoa, that was some serious
Look,
fun!
I can't have it. You're okay. Get in.
I gotta go to Tower Records.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa! Yeah! Go that way.
Yeah, I got it.
Keep your eye on the road. Go. Whoa!
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah! Hey, what's your problem? Yeah! Yeah! Come on, let's go.
Yeah, we'll be right there. Okay.
Wow!
Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. As you can see, the image was really sharp and clear. The brightness is really good as well. And I really think it's a great idea to get one of these. Like it's not expensive and it gets the job done. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget about clicking on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.